Guys, it's raining outside and I want to melt some metal. So I'm going to use the Toauto furnace today, the Toauto 3kg furnace, electric furnace, and I'm going to make a hummingbird. I'm going to try to make a hummingbird ornament. In one of my other videos, a couple weeks ago, I made one out of foam. I didn't show the result, but it didn't come out as good as I wanted it to. So I'm going to try it today. I actually carved the hummingbird out of really thin MDF, so I'm not really sure if it's going to work. Make up this casting box, this sand box, green sand, and I did a runner this way and a runner this way with a gate in and a gate in. So I have 2 runners and 2 gates feeding the ornament, which I think it's placed something like that inside this casting box. So we're gonna see if it's gonna work. I don't know. We're gonna give it a go. But like I said, I'm gonna use the Toauto 3kg electric melting furnace. So I'm gonna load up some aluminum ingots in here, melt it down, and do an aluminum pour, and hopefully the pour works. Oh wow, it worked. That's super cool. I did not know if that was going to work or not, but it sure did. That's sweet, and such a smooth finish on it too. That's excellent. Alright guys, before I cut this away from the runners and the gate, I just want to show you the system that I used. You know, I have the pouring basin, I have the sprue, I have the runners, and I have the gates to feed this properly. Alright guys, here it is all finished up. I polished the front and I polished the back. I think this one came out a lot better than the other one I did. This is the pattern that I used for this one, and this one is the pattern I used for the old one. This is foam. I made 2 of these out of foam. The other one obviously I burned out. I burned it out of the sand. So I put this in green sand and then I burned this out before casting to give me a hollow cavity. Now the one that I cast out of aluminum using the foam pattern is this one. This one had a lot more indentations than the current one that I have now. The new one came out a lot better, and I truly believe that's because the finish of this is not smooth and the finish of the wood is a lot smoother. So you're definitely going to get a better finish when using green sand with a wooden pattern than you would with a foam pattern. So let me know what you guys think. Definitely this one is better, but let me know what you think about this one as well. If you like it, definitely smash that like button, guys. If you don't like it, still smash that like button, and stay tuned for my next video. See ya.